laptop, it would be great, but uh, I want to know about this month. We buy Core Ultra. Game Bench. Core Ultra 9. And I'm not sure what I can do for AI things with the GPU. Maybe just chat up and image generation kind of things, or and I'm not sure about the difference. The Core i14s and Core Ultra 7, like using stable diffusion and image and video generation, and what's the difference of the using AI? I'm not sure. Let's watch this.
If you're a streamer, content creator,
Why to upgrade to Intel Ultra Core Ultra?
a gamer, or all of the above, but you're not massively into tech,